Hello students, today we start our lesson number 3, A Boy Judge. In this story it is about the three thieves and an old lady. There is some misunderstanding between them and the three thieves claimed the old woman that he stole their stolen pot of gold. So here is a story where a boy can judge this case. So first I read the story to you. Like once upon a time, three thieves who had stolen a pot of gold in a distant town were returning to their village. They were passing through a small town when it grew dark. Their village was a long way off. Their chief said to the others, I don't know whether we can reach our village safely with all this gold. Let's stay for the night in some house here in this town. His friends also thought that this was the best thing to do. They went in search of a lodging for the night and at last found an old woman who agreed to let them stay in her hut. Now, none of the thieves would trust any of his companions with the pot of gold. So, they decided to give it to the old woman to keep. They carefully sealed the mouth of the pot with clay and took it to the old woman and said, Please keep this with you till we ask for it. Don't give it to anyone till all three of us ask for it together. The old woman agreed. She asked the men whether they would take it back the next morning. Their chief replied, Yes, we will, but be sure to keep it in a very, very safe place. The three men cooked their own dinner. After eating it, they sat under a tree talking together. The youngest of them, who was a clever man, wanted to get the pot of gold for himself. He was trying to think of a plan. Just then a woman came selling curds and the young thief said, Look, here comes a woman selling curds. Let's buy some. The chief said, All right, we will buy some. Go and get the pot from the old woman. This was just the opportunity the young man wanted. He went to the old woman and said, Let's have the pot we gave you to keep. The woman said, Your chief has asked me not to give the pot till all of you ask for it together. The young man said, But our chief himself has sent me to get the pot. The old woman was too busy to go out and ask the chief. She shouted from inside the house to ask whether she would give the pot to the young man. The chief did not understand that she was talking about the pot of gold. Give it to him, he shouted back to her. So the old woman gave the pot of gold to the young man and he quietly left the place with it. So from here to here the story was that there are three thieves who have stolen the pot of gold from the nearby village and they were going to their village. But the night comes and their village was very long way off. So they decided to stay at that place. So they found a place where they stay their night. The old woman agreed to let them stay in her hut. So they gave all the three were not trust any of his companions. So they gave the pot to the old woman and said that when we three all together ask for the pot, then give it to him. Now from all the three, the young one was very clever and he wanted the pot of gold. So he planned that. He saw a curd woman who selling the curd. So he asked the chief that let buy some curd. So the chief said, okay, now get the pot. The young man get the woman and said that let have the pot we gave you to keep. So woman said that your chief had asked me to not give the pot till all of you ask for it together. The young man said, but chief himself has sent to me. The old woman was so busy to go out and ask the chief. So she shouted inside from the house, and whether she give it pot to the young man or not. The chief didn't understood, and he said, give it to him. Now the old woman gave the pot of gold to the young man, and the young man left the place quietly. So here, this one is the first part of that story. In next video, I explain you to the other. So you have to, your homework is to read the lesson. Thank you.